Hey guys, thank you for checking out the video today. We have a bunch of things to go over, including not one, but two new limited edition scents from Johnnie Ray, scent of the month, seasonal scents, however you want to look at it. We have an essential oil version and we have a fragrance version. And they are both available in the two different lines, the Legacy line with the Hemi-Squalene, and then also the Apex line, which is the same blend, but has a heavy dose of bird oil, aka emu oil in there. We also have a deal or sale to go over, but one thing that I'm very excited about is we're gonna go about this video in a slightly different way. My goal was to kind of pull back the curtains and show you guys behind the scenes how this process works, especially with me giving feedback and collaboration with these companies. I'm very transparent and I tell you guys whether it's an affiliate or not. I tell you guys whether I'm helping with a scent or not. But maybe this will give you a couple of like step-by-steps and you're like, oh, that kind of makes sense. So if that sounds like a good plan to you guys, the only thing I ask is you hit a quick thumbs up on the video. It is appreciated. Thank you. All right, let's dive in. We'll start with the sale. This is an affiliate as mentioned. And again, as always with transparency, if you use my code, you guys save money. You're supporting this company that's offering it, and you're supporting this channel and platform of over 7 years of free content because there is a small commission on that sale with my link or my code. So my code is Tansy10, and this weekend only of dropping this video, all the details will be in the description. You will get, with that 10% off, every order that uses Tansy10 will get a sample of the blue Tansy body wash, which is the current body wash that I'm using. I've got the big boy, I think it's a 16 ounce, so it's gonna be a little while until I move on to something else, but you get a free sample with every order. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, check. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the scents, but first, the process. So I take great pride in working with my affiliates. There's often times where you may see an affiliate that's no longer on the list. It doesn't mean they're bad. It doesn't mean that some big change happened. Sometimes our relationship just isn't as close as it once was. We don't work as closely together anymore, and I don't want to just be a name on their list. I don't want them just to be a name on my affiliate list and then collect like these small little commissions along the way that don't really mean anything. I like to be a part of the team. I like to help. I like to get the word out there. With this company, I'm very involved. With Johnnie Ray, if there's an essential oil blend that's being made, I'm likely going to have input and test it. If there's a new product type, I'm likely going to be able to test it and give input. The only exception usually is if there's a new fragrance oil that's just not in my wheelhouse. Sometimes they just won't ask my opinion on that because what does it matter if I don't like it? And that is what we have first. And I do have a little cheat sheet on the scent profile so I don't miss it. So in this situation, any situation really, I work with Johnnie Ray weeks, if not months in advance of anything happening. So the oil that I have today, and let me make sure I get the name right because I don't have a label on it, is the Fireside Roast. Now this is how it arrives to me. Now this is because I'm not going to give feedback. I'm not going to say, hey, change this, adjust this, because the scent profile isn't for me. This isn't something that I enjoy, but I do get it weeks and weeks before they even have labels, before they even let it out to the public. And oftentimes my beautiful wife, Sam C, she gets to smell it and give some feedback on that as well. So the scent profile on this one, which is a fragrance oil blend, is going to be pumpkin s'mores, espresso, smoked cheddar, and oud. That's a lot going on. Number one, I am not a pumpkin guy. I like pumpkin seeds, that's it. Now the comment section's about to go crazy. I'm secure in my beliefs of personal preference. I don't like pumpkin pie. I said it. Come at me. I think it looks disgusting like baby poop. I think it smells disgusting. And I don't like the taste. I don't like the texture. Nothing about pumpkin pie. No thank you. I know I'm in the minority there, and that's okay. I just don't like it. It's the kind of same reason why I'm not a fan of these kinds of scents. I don't like clove. I don't like nutmeg. I don't like a lot of those spices. This is that warm, spicy fall scent. You do smell the s'mores. I'm also not a dessert scent kind of guy. You do smell the pumpkin in there, a little pumpkin spice. The cheddar, I don't know. I'm not sure if the cheddar really comes out. I don't know if it's cheddar like money. Just kidding, it's not. But I don't get a ton of the cheddar in there. I do get that dark sophistication. I believe we had some oud. Yep, oud. The espressos in there just with like a background. There's a lot going on, but I will say, if you're someone that likes the spicy fall scents, if you like the warmer, kind of rich winter scents, if you like the darker, manly, layered, loud scents, this is for you, Fireside Roast. For me, I did test it. I probably won't wear it again, but I can really respect the quality and the layering that goes into it. It's just not my thing, unfortunately, but that's how this works. I didn't give feedback on this one. This one's all Johnnie Ray, so if you love it, kudos to them. If you don't, not my fault. Not just kidding. My job is to convey the scent, and I think I did. Now we have another essential oil version, and this one took a little bit longer because Nate had a concept in mind, worked it out, it was fantastic, but it was too close to another limited that had already happened, and he wanted to rewrite it and do something brand new, so he had the schedule a little bit later. We went over some ideas. I threw out some notes, he threw out some notes, and then we always create options on essential oils. Sometimes it's 12 options, sometimes it's 3 options. Sometimes we do 3, we adjust, and then we do 2 new ones. Every situation is different. This one, we threw out some stuff, we tested some things, and then we landed on 3 final testers. And this is how they always arrive to me from Johnnie Ray, is I get a tester, and then there's a Sharpie on there with the letter. I normally wear them once, or I just get an initial impression on my skin, and then I start to dial in and wear the one that I think is a favorite, or the top 2 that are favorites. That way I can smell it, I can understand how it changes on my skin. Sam can smell it and then understand how it changes on my skin, but also realize how it evolves during the day. Learn about the scent duration and how long it's gonna last. How strong is the scent? And I get all the real feedback. So these were the 3 testers that I had, and our scent name on this one is Royal Oak. Now again, Michigan themed everything, guys. That Royal Oak is a city about a half an hour from me. Pretty cool. What we ended up going with as the final one is F. I was gonna say, nope, we're gonna leave that there. It is F. And that's not even F that I grabbed. So the winning scent was F. Now I'm gonna read the scent description. Sam agreed, I agreed, Nate and Hannah agreed. It was a 4 for 4 win. If there's a tiebreaker, that's always up to them. They get to decide those things. But if it's an essential oil, we do have some feedback. So Royal Oak is bergamot, sandalwood, sage, and vetiver. Now, there is a clear distinction for me. I have some scents that I absolutely despise or disliked in the past, such as sandalwood. What I figured out, I don't like the fragrance oil version of sandalwood. Now, there's a bunch of them. Damn, there's so many. I understand. I really enjoy the essential oil sandalwood. There's also several versions of the essential oil, but that natural side of essential oil of sandalwood, I like a lot. Same with vetiver. I love the earthiness of vetiver. I love that green, that kind of dirt in there. It's wonderful. And then, of course, sage. That, to me, sage is like a fresh Arizona desert after rain. Beautiful smell, beautiful smell. And then the bergamot, one of my favorite smells in the entire world, that citrus side of things. So let's see how Royal Oak came together. And I do have that in beard right now. So Royal Oak is a little bit effervescent. It kind of hits you. Like, it's not invigorating like a mint, but it is kind of like a, whoa, okay. The sandalwood and bergamot are kind of doing a little tango together, and it's very nice. It's a little bit kind of foresty with that sage and vetiver. It's like you had the fall and you're going for a hike, but it's been really rainy outside. The leaves are damp on the ground. Everything is kind of, your skin is a little bit moist. I know we love that word. And it has a little bit of a tingle to it, a little bit of that kind of wake you up, but fresh, outdoor. One of the stronger essential oils that Johnnie Ray has made. I really like this one. It's not your normal mint profile. It's not your normal citrus profile. It's like, welcome to fall. Welcome to rain showers. It is here, but also like a little bit of sophistication in there. Absolutely love Royal Oak. The other ones are pretty dang good too, but the winner is a clear winner in this situation. So that's how we kind of go about this limited edition, giving feedback. We have other product types with Johnnie Ray that I've collaborated with that will be coming out in the future. I am not an owner of this company. I have no stake in this company. I am an affiliate. I am a friend, and I love helping where I can. So down below, you guys, any feedback, any questions, anything at all, the comment section is open. Thank you guys for watching. All the details are in the description as well. My name's Tansy Bearded. I hope you enjoyed this little peek behind the curtains. Please stay bearded and stay positive.